Hello everyone. Carl Sandburg had written a poem with the heading The Lawyers Know Too Much. But today, after watching this video, you will also know much about the lawyers. When we talk about lawyers, the term royal is associated with it. Lawyers belong to the royal profession. But today, I am not addressing lawyers as a royal professionals, but as struggling lawyers amidst this lockdown. This nationwide lockdown, my friends, has brought to the fore the great disparity in the legal profession. I'm sure when you mention the lawyers, and the image that strike you would be that of famous names who move around in Audis, BMW, big cars. They charge huge amount of fees from their client, big shot clients, isn't it? But this section is a small fraction. Friends, the vast majority of lawyers and the legal professionals, especially, they are dependent on lower court, trial court, tribunal, session courts, and case-to-case basis of their income and livelihood. And when the courts are not functioning properly since lockdown, the economic situation, you can imagine, has become so precarious. With an insistence on social distancing, which was announced, the judiciary, the Supreme Court, the Sessions Court, lower court, they all decided that they would only attend to extreme urgent matters. That too through video conferencing. Video conferencing term sounds so easy, but if you talk to any lawyer, then you would come to understand how difficult it is to get a VC in sessions court and trial courts or tribunal courts, because they do not have a proper infrastructure even after 1.5 years. For bail matters also, VC is not given, which matters you would call urgent. What counts an urgent matter? This is left to the discretion of the court officials. So suppose if you have to file a petition online for your client, then you will have to give a one-page application on email, and the court officials will decide whether the matter is urgent or not. And if they feel that your case fits in the urgency criteria or getting emergent relief, then only a VC would be given to you. And it may so happen many times in High Court that your matter will be listed, but that day the timings of the court are for 2 hours, so you would not be heard. So how you are going to satisfy your client? With a one-page statement, can you explain your emergency? All high courts across India, they are most part have only one bench functioning, and they are barely taking up to 3 or 4 cases, or maximum to 10 cases. In lower judiciary, we lawyers, we suffer a lot because most civil courts are not hearing the matters due to the lockdown. In criminal courts, most states have given interim bail to the under trial. Means those who are accused and are awaiting trial, they've been given automatic bail in some cases, but in some states it is also not the case. So for getting that urgent bail or automatic bail also, you have to run from pillar to the post. Normal course of thing, bail matters are the most important income generators for many lawyers working in session courts. But that is also not being done. Not only the economic aspect, I would say that the most highly influential category of lawyers, which is hardly 1 to 5%, only they are enjoying the most. And from their farmhouses or from their big bungalows, they are earning money. They are able to attend through VC in a single day 5 to 10 hearings even. the juniors, the freshers, what to talk about them. Even when the experienced legal professionals of this industry are suffering a lot. Disparity. The legal profession, it features some senior counsels who charge lakhs for hearing and crores a retention fee. But this group is a small minority and they corner a disproportionate number of important matters in the courts. And it is not possible for an ordinary lawyer. Not at all. I request to all my legal fraternity friends who are suffering during this lockdown, please come, raise your voice, join hands together. United we stand, divided we fall. So please come and raise your voice. No need to leave the profession. As we have been observing, so many lawyers, they have left the profession, committed suicide. The Advocates Act and Bar Association are also not supporting us. Why they are not supporting us? In Gujarat, when Gujarat can say, Gujarat High Court or Gujarat Bar can say that why lawyers will be allowed to do business, then I think Bar Council of India should also pass the circular that till they are not able to earn through regular functioning of the courts, till then they would be allowed to do the businesses or do the jobs. Lawyers also have human rights. We should not forget. When we are fighting for the rights of others, all the rights are also equally important for us. We should protect our rights also. Thank you.